everyone, this is TechBismo and welcome back to another video. And in this video everyone, I'm going to be doing a Zorin OS review. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started today guys, I have a quick thank you. So my thank you goes to my friend Holden. My friend Holden got my subscribers to 100. So just today it was at 99, and then I told him, and then he subscribed to my channel. So thank you very much, Holden. Now my channel has the URL, so it is youtube.com/techbismo. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So you can see here guys, I am in Zorin OS. I'm on the lock screen, so you can see there's my account. You know, up here you can see some of your computer stuff like the time. You could change that right there, your Wi-Fi, your audio, and your battery, and then you can shut it down right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and log in. So I'll type in my password. Okay, so we'll wait for that to load. Okay guys, here we are. We are in Zorin OS on the desktop. So as you can see here guys, we have a very big panel. So first of all, today I am going to be looking at the menu first of all. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so as you can see here, the menu is a very dark colored theme, which looks very nice. You've got over here accessories, games, graphics, internet, office, sound and video, system tools, utilities, and Wine. So yeah, in case you don't know guys, Wine is a program that you can run Windows applications in Linux. So it's a very helpful software, and I will be making a tutorial video on that very soon. So yeah. Alright, so I believe you just click on that, yep, and then you'll have your accessories right there. So you got your accessories right there. We're going to real quick look at the calculator. So here's the calculator. You have a very nice circle flat calculator, so I like that. You know me, I love my calculators. Alright, so more in the menu. So yeah, you know, if you click on games, it'll take you to all of your pre-installed games. Graphics, that'll take you to, you know, something like GIMP, LibreOffice Draw, and Simple Scan. Internet, you know, you've got Empathy, Geary, Zorin Web Browser Manager, and, you know, Chromium Web Browser. And by the way, yeah, guys, Zorin OS, they use Chromium Web Browser. They do not use Firefox. Alright, so in the office, you've got stuff like calendar, contacts, LibreOffice, you know, all of the LibreOffice things. System tools, you can go ahead, you know, look in your settings and stuff, which we will be looking at in just a couple minutes. System tools, yeah, we were just in there. Okay, utilities, you can look up in here right now. You know, you've got your disk editor and stuff, passwords and keys, screenshot, system monitor, and terminal, which, you know, the terminal is very basic. So yeah, we are going to real quick look into the software center. So, as you can see here, welcome to the software. Software lets you install all the software you need all from one place. See our recommendations, browse the categories, or search for the applications you want. So I can go ahead and click Let's Go Shopping, and then I just have to go ahead and search for the application I want or need. So Kdenlive, that will pop up. Yep, yay, I was right. Okay, GIMP, which we already have installed as you saw earlier. And we have GIMP, yay! And you know, you got some of the apps down there. Let's see, Firefox. Do we have that? Yep. Yep, we do. VirtualBox. Yep, we have that as well. So yeah, you know, all the basics. This is a very nice software center. I believe this is the same one that GNOME uses, because it very much looks like my Ubuntu GNOME software center. So you know, down here you got the editors, picks, and you know, you got Discord, which I'll actually give you the code to my Discord chat. Or not, maybe I'll give the code to, I'll probably give the code to the server, and then I'll give I'll private message the code of my name to anybody who wants to chat with me. Recommended audio applications you've got right here, you know, music and that stuff, Audacity, Brasserio, Rhythmbox, all that. And I like how it shows, you know, a little installed tag right there. That's very nice. In this tab, you can look in the installed. So that'll show you all the installed applications you have that comes from the Software Center. And then in the updates, this will, you know, show you all the updates that you need. So I can go ahead and install, just like that, and then it'll update, which is very nice. So yeah, as you can see here, here's the lovely desktop. Right here, this is, you know, ejecting media, so I can go ahead and eject the ISO that I have. This is, you know, your battery, your account, your Wi-Fi, and your audio. And, you know, you got right here your settings or preferences, whatever that is. We'll go ahead and look at that. Okay, all settings, that's what it is. And then you got lock, computer, and then you got, you know, shutdown options. And then right here's your nice graphical calendar and clock. And this is where your notifications would show up normally if you have any new notifications. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and look into the settings right now, so let's go ahead and open up that. Okay, so you can see here in the personal, you've got, you know, your personal things like online accounts, privacy, region and language, search, Zorin appearance, stuff like that. Hardware, of course, it's going to have stuff like Bluetooth, printer, sound, Wacom tablet displays, keyboard, mouse and touchpad, network, power, all that. And then the system, you know, you're going to have your basics as well. Stuff like backups, date and time, details, firewall, configuration, sharing, universal access, and users, which users, you know, no, it'll show me my password. It'll show you your users. I apologize for that. Anyway, alright. So the details, we can go ahead and have a look in there. You can see over here Zorin OS 12, so yes, this is a Zorin OS 12 review. Device name, TechBismo VirtualBox, which I believe I can easily change, so TechBismo Zorin, I believe I can easily do that, and it should be changed by now. And then the memory, 7.8 gigabytes of RAM, processor, Intel Core i5, you know, all of your computer specs, default applications. So yeah, the default applications, you know, basically what this is, you know, your default web browser is Chromium by default in this distribution of Linux. You know, your default is your default. Calendars, calendar, mails, Geary, you know, music, Rhythmbox, which you could change to video, and videos, which there's a very good alternative. So a very good alternative that I use every day pretty much is VLC media player. So let's see if I can actually find the, okay, there it is. So yeah, I'll go ahead and search for VLC, and you know, of course it's going to be in here, at least I hope. And any day now. I'm going to let that load. Anyway, we're going to open back up in these settings. Okay, so, you know, you could go ahead and change that if you need to. Removable media, so, you know, this is, you know, like USBs and stuff that I could remove. And we'll go back to these settings. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. Date and time. Okay, so, you know, here's the date and time. Time format by default is 24-hour time. You know, which you can simply change to AM, PM, which I like it on 24-hour. And time zone, I can go ahead and change that if I need to. Yeah, I use New York time, but I don't know what I just did there. So, there we go. Okay, automatic time zone. So I guess that'll just track your location and then put it into the clock and stuff. So keyboard, this is, you know, going to be your layout of your keyboard and stuff. Mouse and touchpad, I can change that, pointer speed and stuff if I need to. Background, which I can easily change. You know, I go to there and I can simply change it to something that looks nicer, in my opinion. So as you can see there, that looks okay, but it's a little too bright for my taste. We'll try that. There we go. That'll be good for now. And then later on I can pick an image from Google or something. And the lock screen I can also change like that, I guess. There we go. Two very nice wallpapers. Sound right here, you can change that if you need to. Of course, this is going to say, no amplifier for me because I am using a VirtualBox. Actually, let's test it out.
Front, right.
Aha! So this time it actually connects to my my speakers. So finally, a distribution that actually is connecting with my my output and my audio chip and stuff. So
Front,
as you can
left.
hear there.
Front, right.
Front right, front left, and you got your lovely little smiley face there. I love how they do that. I love how they put a cute little smiley face there, and then I can turn off the audio like that. Simply, it's off, and it's very simple. So input right there. There's my microphone, as you can see there. And I can do unamplified if I want. Applications, sound effects. I can change that if I need to. Privacy, I can change that as well. Search, I can search for everything that I need. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Printers, we'll look at that. See, I can easily add a new printer. Let's see if it'll find my my HP OfficeJet 6700 or 6500A. Nope. Yeah, it's off right now. I'm not gonna bother to turn it on. But that's fine. I do have two printers actually in this house, so the other one should be on, but I guess it's not. I don't know. Maybe it's also the VirtualBox. It probably is, because actually my printer is on right now. The power, change that if you need to. Power saving, blank screen, 5 minutes. Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi to save power. That's actually pretty cool, how you can turn that off if you really need to save Wi-Fi, or internet, I apologize. So how do I re-enable it? Okay, there we go. So I do that, and then I go back to it, and it's off. I guess I have to, I don't know, apply somehow, or guys, I'm pretty sure it's just the VirtualBox that makes these distributions a little bit buggy. Firewall configuration, go ahead and look at that, just like that. Actually, let's check in the Software Center. No VLC. I guess there's no VLC in the Software Center, which is not too much of a problem because you can download it in the terminal. Anyway, so firewall status, I can turn the firewall on if I need to, which I actually never really need a firewall unless, it's sincere and, there's zombies out trying to attack my internet. But otherwise, I don't ever really need it. Okay, so I guess that's enough looking into these all settings. You guys can, leave a comment below if you need me to look at something in these settings later. But anyway, so as you all know, the main web browser, the default and main web browser that Zorin OS uses is Chromium. So I can easily surf the web, go to google.com and search for things I need, and search for my channel if I need to. Got some very nice images of my channel, as you can see there. Yeah, and you can see some of the thumbnails I have right here. Yeah, here's simple screen recorded test in Solus. I remember that. But yeah, so Chromium is a very nice web browser, but I would prefer something more stabilized like Firefox. Well, in my opinion, it's more stabilized. I don't know what you guys would think. Just, comment below what web browser you would prefer. So yeah, let's go ahead and have a look into the directories. So, I guess I can go to home right here and then, just look at all the directories. So I got recent, home, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, trash, and my ISO that I have. The very basics, the directories that you're supposed to have. It's a very nice distribution. I would recommend this. The only thing that I change is, probably these window bars, since they're so freaking huge, and this panel down here, which I believe I can easily change if I need to. I can change it to what I prefer. Yeah, so let me see. I guess we looked at everything that we need to look at with this. Oh, Zorin appearance. It's gonna close out on me, isn't it? I'm sure it is, because it's frozen. It's frozen. Yeah, guys, I've frozen my my Zorin. Oh well. Just, I don't know, wait for this to load, or yeah, guys, I'm gonna restart this virtual box. So we're just going to quickly turn it on. So we'll just do this. Uh-oh, I'm booting from the ISO, aren't I? I'm pretty sure I am booting from the ISO, which I don't want to do. So we're going to close this out once again, and then quickly do F12 and select the partition that I need to boot up in. X that out. Okay, Zorin OS 12. Okay, so our system is back up. We'll go ahead and type in my password, just like that. And here we are. So we are back in Zorin. So let's see if I can quickly do what I was going to do, but I froze it. I froze the settings, so yeah, I can change that. Yeah, I kind of like, ooh, not bad actually. Not bad. Let's see, like, is this more like a GNOME look? Huh. Guys, I'm pretty sure I froze it again. Yeah, this is funny. Anyway, I've reviewed it enough. I mean, I don't need to go through all of those themes and stuff. But yeah, guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this Zorin OS review. It is a great distribution. I will tell you guys, it will not act like this if you have a good computer. It's just my virtual box, so, slap it in a virtual box if you need to test it out or something, but, install it. This is a good distribution. I definitely would recommend it. Links below. There will be links in the description for you guys to download this Linux distribution. I believe it's just ZorinOS.com or something, but anyway, it'll be as a link in the description. So, well, yeah, guys, so that is it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, this lovely Zorin OS review. So I guess that is it, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed, as I said like 500,000 times, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Goodbye, everybody.